Hello everyone. Today I have a wonderful story to share with you. It's not only for your English listening practice, but also to inspire and motivate you with a story about the precious clock. In a busy town, there lived a young boy named Arjun. He was clever, but he had one big problem. He always wasted time. He slept late, played games for hours, and never finished his homework on schedule. His father often said, "Arjun, time is more valuable than money. If you lose money, you can earn it again. But if you lose time, it never returns." Arjun nodded, but he never really understood those words. One day, Arjun's grandfather gave him a beautiful golden clock. It was shiny and ticked softly. Tick, 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 grandfather said. "This clock is special. It will teach you the value of time." Arjun loved the gift, but soon he forgot about it. He left the clock on his desk and went back to wasting his days. Weeks passed. One morning, when Arjun woke up late again, he noticed something strange. The golden clock was glowing. Suddenly it spoke. "Arjun, every tick is a second of your life. Every moment you waste will never come back." Arjun was shocked. "A talking clock?" he whispered. The clock continued. "Look outside your window." Arjun looked out. He saw children running to school, workers hurrying to their jobs, and the sun rising quickly. Time was moving, and everyone was using it, except him. That day he decided to change. He got up early, finished his homework, helped his mother, and still had time to play. He realized that when he respected time, life felt easier and happier. Months later, Arjun became one of the best students in his class. His friends asked, "How do you manage everything so well?" Arjun smiled and said, "I learned that time is life. If you waste time, you waste life. But if you use time wisely, you can achieve anything." From then on, Arjun kept the golden clock close to his bed. Every morning when it ticked, he remembered his grandfather's words. "Time once lost can never be found again."